were days I didn't think I'd make it. Heavy heart, I almost couldn't take it. Smiling on the outside, breaking within. I've fallen down more times than I can say. Tried to run but couldn't find my way. Every scar has a story to tell of how I rose when I almost fell. Every loss and every pain, I can see it now so clear. You were always standing near. This is my life, this is my testimony. From broken pieces to a new story. Every tear turned into victory. Now I stand in your grace and glory. I'm living proof I made it through, all because I held on to you. There were nights I prayed in silence, to rise again, to stand in faith, to trust your love and